Today we are going to discuss about uniform motion and non-uniform motion. అంటే యూనిఫామ్ మోషన్ అంటే ఏంటి, నాన్ యూనిఫామ్ మోషన్ అంటే ఏంటి. ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్లో మనం డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్, డిస్టెన్స్, స్పీడ్, వెలాసిటీ వీటి సంబంధించిన కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్ని చూసాం. నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ యూనిఫామ్ మోషన్. Uniform motion. If an object covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then the object is said to be in uniform motion. For example, if a cycle or if a car moves in a particular direction, initially at t is equal to 0 seconds, it covers 0 meters distance. In 1 second of time, it covers 2 meter distance. In 2 seconds of time, it covers 4 meters. In 3 seconds, it covers 6 meters and so on. If you observe this, here the time interval is 1 second and the distance covered is 2 meters. Next, time interval is 1 second, distance covered is 2 meters. Time interval is 1 second, distance covered is 2 meters. So here this object, for every second it covers 2 meters of distance. That means in equal interval of time it covers equal distances. Hence this object is in uniform motion. If you calculate the velocity of that object, so velocity is nothing but displacement by time. In first second, displacement is 2 minus 0, and initially was 0, 1 second was 2 meters, and time interval వచ్చేసి 1 minus 0, అంటే 2 by 1, that is 2 meter per second its velocity. For t is equal to 2 seconds, then v is equal to s2 minus s1 by t2 minus t1. That means 4 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. Here also 2 meter per second. For next second, its velocity is 2 meter per second. That means if the velocity of an object is constant, then the object is said to be in uniform motion. Equal interval of time lo equal distances cover చేస్తుంది అంటే దాని velocity constant గా ఉంది అని అర్థం అన్నమాట. So when the velocity of an object is constant, then the body is said to be in uniform motion. If you draw a graph taking time on x-axis and a displacement on y-axis, how does the graph will be occur for a uniform motion object? Consider it. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis and this is the horizontal. My time interval వచ్చేసి 1 second, 2 second, 3 seconds, 4 seconds ఇలా ఉంది. అది కవర్ చేసిన డిస్టెన్సెస్ మనకి 2 meters, 4 meters, 6 meters, 8 meters, 10 meters. At initial the time is 0 and the displacement is also 0. This is the time, this is the displacement. For 1 second it covers 2 meters, for 2 seconds it covers 4 meters, for 3 seconds it covers 6 meters, for 4 seconds it covers 8 meters. If you join the points, so this is a straight line passing through horizon. So the graph between t and d, that means time and displacement for a uniform motion body, is a straight line passing through horizon. So this is the graph. So from this we conclude that the object is said to be in uniform motion if its velocity is constant or if it covers equal distances in equal interval of time. In equal interval of time. If the object covers unequal distances in equal interval of time, then the object is said to be in non-uniform motion. What is that? Non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. అంటే ఏంటంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ 0 seconds అప్పుడు ఇనిషియల్ గా రెస్ట్ లో ఉంది 0 seconds. In 1 second of time it covers 2 meters of distance. For the next second it covers 5 meters. For the next second, it covers 6 meters. For the next second, it covers 10 meters. So here the time interval is constant. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. That means equal interval of time. Here the distance covered is 2 meters. Here the distance covered is 3 meters. Here it is 1 meter. Here it is 4 meters. So this object covers unequal distances in equal interval of time. If you calculate the speed 2 by 1, 2 meter per second, 3 by 1, 3 meter per second, 1 by 1, 1 meter per second, 4 by 1, 4 meter per second. So here velocity is not constant. That means velocity is varying from time to time. In this way, if the object covers unequal distances in equal interval of time, or its velocity is not constant, or its velocity is varying, then the object is said to be in non-uniform motion.